Hello and welcome back to the raw series of game development using GameMaker. Alright, in this episode I'm going to try and go through it quick, just as all of them. They're raw episodes. I'm not trying to spend much time on them. I'm just trying to convey what to do, how to do it, the point of it, and yeah, until we slowly progress and build something that's kind of cool. Anyway, I've got my object door open, basically in here. As you can see, we've got, when we press E, it goes to the next room. But what we don't do is show how to get to the next room, as in what button to press. So in our add event, if we go to the draw and we hit draw, in here, what we should be able to do is, let's just settle draw our current object. I believe we have to do that. And then what we want to do is, what I want to say is if the object player is colliding with us or within a distance, we basically then want to draw some text to the screen. So I'm just having a look. Using player. We're going to have a look at collision. So just on my other screen, I'm actually having a look at collision events. So this is what I sort of want to get to. Events like this, if we're not meeting or if we're meeting with the player, and we want to do a draw event, basically, is the way I sort of look at it. So yeah, there's many ways that you can do this, I believe, too. But this is going to be our one for now. So basically, I'm just going to copy this out and see what happens. So in here, if we say, instead of not meeting, if we place meeting, sorry, doing this in, the draw event, yep. The draw self, and then if we're meeting with the object player, then what we should say is draw underscore xt and draw text, sorry. ext draw text and we're going to say x, y. So that's our x and y for the object, if that makes sense. Right, and I'll show you what this is going to be in a minute. Then our string. We're going to say a string. So we're going to say press E. How do we do this? Just do it like that. Press E to open door. Right, and then our separator and the width. Separator. So let's say, I don't know, 5, and then 30. So I think that's okay. So now if I actually, so here we see, if we got this x plus 4, it should be okay. Let's see what happens. I'm not even 100% sure what's going to happen here. Basically, and hopefully, we draw some text when we get to the door. I'll bring my game across. Hold shift. Whoa, that was a bit fast. And what happens here? Oh, there you go. There you go. There. So you can see the text in a worse spot, but we get the gist. Let's spruce that up a little. So here we'll say 300. Let's keep the x the same, but the y will go, let's go minus, let's say 50. So if I'm right, minus 50 will pull it upwards. And our 300 instead of 30 will mean that the width of the text can be a lot longer. There you go, and that's probably not quite right for how I want it. So what I will do is we're going to, so you can't see, you can't quite read it all. So what we will do, I'll quit that. That's the x value. So if we just go minus, let's say 50, give that a go now. Hopefully we can see everything that we need to see within our messaging there. So we scroll, whoa, whoopsie. Oh, that was silly. Oh, now I've clicked the debugger. Oh gosh. Well, you know what? Let's not worry about that. Go back over. Yeah. And if we hover it, press it, open door, still not quite right. What we will do is we'll cap our 300. Let's make it maybe 100 in the value. So we'll go 90. So just got to stop the debugger. Quit the debugger, stop the debugger, get out of the debugger. You can't see that. We're back here. So let's make it 100 and see what happens. Negative 50 and then you got 50. So it's 100 all up. I think that should be okay. Might drop to 2 lines, but that's okay. So let's see. That do what I did the other time. That still doesn't look great. Press E to make it 150, and rather than 5, we'll go 30. We'll go 20. So hopefully this time it's a little bit nicer. What would be cool, which I'm going to see if it, no, I don't think it will. Anyway, we'll see. Let's see. There we go, that's better. That's good enough. So E to open door, and you hover over it. So that's when you're pretty much touching it. Press E. There we go. Oh, yeah. And then if we go to the next door, yeah, press E to open door. Open the door is probably what I should do. E. Oh, then we go to this level. Oh, and then at the end of this, we'll know what happens. We just fall down. So what we probably should do is have an X and Y coordinate where the player ends up when they go to the next level. But technically that, yeah, we'll maybe look at that at a later time. But for now, open the, bit better English. So yeah, let's just play it one more time, see what it looks like with that now. When it starts up, loading, here it is. There you go. Whoa. Also, I think when I started the game, immune timer starts at 100. I can change it to start at 0. Press A to open the door. B. There you go. So we'll just fall down. Oh. So if I go back to an object player, our immune timer, should start at 0. So they're not immune when they start. They're ready to be hurt. So when it starts up, there you go. Timer's already booster. We've got our health, which I'll fix that up actually. Oh yeah, there you go. There's our game so far. Yeah, press E to open the door. E, there we go. Whoa, nearly fell off there. Back up. Oh. Moving forward. Ah, funny. Anyway, here again. There we go. Oh, a little sneaky one there. Oh, don't want to go up there. That's it. So, in the game, there we are. Thanks for watching this episode. In the next one, I'm not 100% sure what we'll touch on. At this stage, we might add some floating elements to pick up objects, for example. We might add another enemy, or we might do maybe a little inventory system that you can have 2 or more guns at one time, potentially. Not 100%. Maybe we should add some sounds. Who knows? Anyway, hope you're having fun and enjoying the series, and I'll speak to you next time. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta!